Hello, my name is Victor Johan Maritz. I would like to take this opportunity to introduce myself. I am from South Africa. Um, I would like to share my farming experience with you. I've been working on a family farm. We were planting and harvesting corn, soybeans, and wheat. So the experience I have in farming is planting and harvesting. I have experience in driving tractors like the John Deere 8320R, John Deere 330R. I was operating front-end loaders, forklifts, loading and offloading. I was operating trucks like the Scania. I don't have license for it, but I know how to drive it. I also have experience in servicing and maintaining the vehicles and the equipment we were using on the farm, like the tractors and the trucks, buckies, oil changes, how to maintain them by checking the brakes, changing the brakes, changing the oil, servicing the vehicles. And I also know how to operate forklifts, bobcats, bulldozers, front-end loaders, excavators. I'm not licensed or qualified, but I know how to. And I'm also a skilled boilermaker, also not qualified, but I have experience, 6-7 years experience in boilermaking and welding. So I know how to install structures and maintaining them and fixing them. I know how to fabricate and install carports, sheds, fencing. I'm familiar with that. I have experience in that. I'm a good welder, I'm a good boilermaker. Not qualified, but I'm skilled, I'm experienced. And yeah, that's the experience I have. And thank you for watching.